inspection of suspension. Nói đi. 1,
Yeah, do you
10.
see? Oh, something like rubber fell down này. Look.
Yeah. Mà nó fell down mà nó có oil nữa. Nó có nó wet nữa.
Đây này. Không biết cái này nó từ đâu ra này.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know about car, but...
Có thể là cái này, maybe this has to go now. Nếu mà mình không có thấy cái oil leak ở trên kia, nó là leak ở trong đây rồi. Là nó time to go rồi. Okay. Rồi the brake pad is a good brake pad.
It's good, yeah. I just my labor helped me change it in last a few months.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then the CV boot inside, this one like kind of a little bit wet, but it looks okay. CV boot out here looks okay. Now we look at the other side.
I put the wheel in, okay?
Yeah, just wait for me.
Okay.
2 people easier. This side is also, the rubber is gone, but I don't see it's a wet. Let's open the hood.
Okay.
All right, any oil leak up here? Let me get something to stand up here. So I can't see the oil leak on this side, but there could be a leak on the other side, don't know. This thing looks good. Oh, here's a problem right here, you see?
Oh.
So this one will cause your engine to run bad. Because the computer has a sensor here.
Okay.
All the air coming in, when it passes the sensor, let's say the computer sees that, oh, you have 10 air coming in. And so when it sees 10, it tells the gasoline to inject the right amount for 10. But when it passes here, you have extra air coming in. So now you have 11. But then the gas is only set for 10. So now the computer is confused. So this is probably like $35, $45 part in Amazon. But it may not fit as good as Honda. So once you buy it, you have to play a little bit. But the more expensive one you buy, it's going to fit better. Yeah.
Okay, so
but you just have to, it's easy to replace. You just see what you see and you take the old one and put the new one. So just put 2010 Honda CRV into Amazon and just buy this. It's called air intake. Air intake. And then I'm looking at any other things. And usually when this is coming out, you can get a can of carburetor cleaner and clean the boom boom in here. Get a toothbrush and move my hand, put a piece of wood in there because there's a piece of metal here. Clean it with some gasoline. Get a napkin, clean it because it's just right here. You already in here. That's it. I can also send you a YouTube video. So it's pretty fast. Just this one, clamp this one out, clamp that one out, and this thing come out. Pretty easy. All right, everything else look good. This car come from the snow, or is this a California car?
No, this is one the bottom car.
Yeah, you see all these things? All this California car doesn't rust like that.
Yeah. So you see the bottom, it's a rust, it's more rusted in the bottom.
Oh.
Of the car,
Yeah. And then your struts are in here. I don't see any oil coming in over there,
No,
so I think.
You don't see it's leak up there. Also, you don't see that.
Yeah, I think it's time for your car to get a new strut. Maybe I have to test drive it. Don't know.
I just need this car drive like that. Yeah, that's it. And then I will see